As you dive deeper into the realm of large language models, it's pretty important to take into account that there's a world beyond ChatGPT and OpenAI. Yeah, I know. Sometimes it feels like ChatGPT is the only thing out there, but indeed, there are several. In fact, some of them are quite good and may even have an upper hand over ChatGPT and OpenAI. The first one that I want to mention is Claude from Anthropic. The Claude 2 model, with its innovative approach, challenges the norm with creative text generation techniques. Its distinctive characteristics set it apart from other models and contribute to a diverse landscape of language generation. I asked it what it is, and check out the answer.
I'm Claude, an AI assistant created by Anthropic.
I even asked if it's better than ChatGPT. The response was not bad at all, and I'm leaving you with a homework. Go and try asking ChatGPT for Claude. You'll see what it says. It even told me some of its advantages, including the fact that it is trained to avoid various types of harmful, biased, or unreliable responses. Then from Google, PaLM, which stands for Pre-trained Autoregressive Language Model. Its unique architecture and features make it a strong contender in the world of generative text. In fact, the next generation of PaLM, PaLM 2, is already out. And it is what Google Bard uses underneath. Bard is just like ChatGPT. I was trying not to say it, but here it goes. Bard, it's like Google, but with natural language. It's really helpful for plenty of tasks. Then Llama, which stands for Large Language Model Meta AI. It's a family of large language models that are released by Meta, the parent company of Facebook. They were released starting in February 2023. Llama 2, which is an evolution of the original Llama model, brings its improvements and strengths to the table. Its capabilities in understanding and generating human like text deserve attention. And these are just a few examples among many. The competition and collaboration among language models results in continuous innovation and progress, providing developers with various options when building generative AI applications. Language models like GPT and the ones I just mentioned are at the forefront of the AI landscape. They empower users to interact with technology naturally, posing questions, offering prompts, and receiving coherent responses. This transition towards natural language interaction can reshape industries, influencing customer support, content creation, data analysis, and decision making processes.